Today I'd like to give you a quick overview of how OMRON uses multiple networks to give you the best network for your application. All of our SysMac machine controllers, and you can see an NJ unit here, have both Ethernet, IP and EtherCAT ports built in and can be used with IO-Link masters depending on your use. So here we have a typical factory layout. So our top-end network is using Ethernet IP. Ethernet IP is a widely used interoperable format which is used by many manufacturers. We use this for our machine-to-machine communication. So in this case, we can talk to our SysMac Studio software, our integrated development environment. We can talk to other machines, and we would put things like HMIs and visualization on it. Our machine-level network uses EtherCAT. EtherCAT is an extremely fast deterministic network with a real-time clock. This allows us to have many devices on here, and they can be very quickly synchronized for applications such as servo control, attention. And it also lets us add a large number of nodes or devices on there without any network slowdown. So typically you'd have maybe 100, but you could go into literally almost 1,000 plus. Finally, for device level, we use IO-Link. So IO-Link is a point-to-point protocol, and that's typically used by almost all sensor manufacturers, pneumatics companies, etc. And this lets you get a wide range of diagnostic information out of an optical sensor, a proximity switch, or possibly something like a pneumatic valve island, which we use for machinery uptime and IoT applications. If you'd like to know more, you can have a look at the included white paper that's in the link here, or you can visit our website. Thank you.